It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is.
Welcome back to Kickstart to Fitness Level 2. This workout is gonna be for those of you who already did my Level 1 from exercises or workouts from number 1 to 10. Those were only body weight, and now we are progressing into a little bit heavier exercises, but still not like super advanced. We're going to use weights. For today I'm choosing only 2 kilos, very lightweight, but you can also choose it according to your fitness level, of course. If this will be too light for you, just go up a little bit in the weights. Okay, you're going to need also exercise mat and a timer. If you do this by yourself, put it on a stopwatch and do 10 different exercises. So yeah, also before we start doing them, I will also show you the proper form and modifications, and then we're gonna go together into the exercises. Okay, so I'm drinking my pre-workout coffee. That's all I use for my pre-workouts. I don't use any others. And without further ado, warm up and let's go into the workout. Alright, so let's start with our workout. So I'm gonna put my stopwatch so that we just see how long we're gonna take, but it's not about a time because we're still learning, and just that in general we see how long this workout will take us. So the first exercise, we're gonna go into the wider stance and we're gonna go into the plie squat. So this means it's like this, so your knees are tracking your toes and you're going straight down, abs tight, shoulders back and down, and then you're gonna rotate palms away from you. Okay, it's a supinated grip. Okay, and when you're gonna go down into the plie, you're gonna lift your arms up, extend it, and then you do the circling motion back down. Okay, like this. It's a full body movement, and we're gonna go for 10 reps. Okay, and ready? Let's go. So 1, 2, 3, really go low in your squat. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Okay, moving on into our second exercise. It's gonna be again full body movement, so upper body and lower body. So we're gonna do the deadlift. So again, posture, shoulders back and down, abs is tight, abs are tight, and then you're gonna hinge in your hips down, 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 down. You have to feel the tension in the back of your thighs, in the hamstrings. The belly pulls in all the time. Okay, and then you, when you're here, go a little bit higher, and you're gonna go into the reverse fly. You have to feel the back of your shoulders, yeah, the upper part. Okay, I'm gonna do like this, and then slowly come back up. Then move your weights again, like facing up your palms, and then you're gonna go into the bicep curl, stepping back into the lunge, and repeat on the other side. Okay, we're gonna go for 10 reps, alternating the legs. Okay, and we're gonna go, so posture and down, little bit come up, reverse fly, really feel it, come up, and lunges. That was 1. Go slow and control, up, was 2, down, really squeeze on the top, really squeeze your biceps as well, down, Okay, 3, 4, I don't know. What was that, 4 or 5? I think it was 4, okay. Because I always, when I talk, I lose my counting. But we always have to do, then if you're not sure, just go one set down, okay? That was 5. Coming back up. That was 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Okay, we're gonna go into our next exercise. We're gonna be on our knees, and then we're gonna go into the kneeling lift up into the shoulder press. From the side looks like this. Always have in mind the posture, right? This is just the general knowledge for you to work out every single time. So when you work out every single time, so back is straight, shoulders pull back and down, abs tight, and you won't go wrong, okay? It will prevent you to round your back, but you really have to think about it, okay? So when we're here, lift up your weights like this, and then come up and extend your arm, and then go down. Really push your hips forward and squeeze your booty. Okay, so I'll show you from this side. Gonna be like this, 90 angle with your arms. Come up, squeeze, push pelvis forward, hips forward, and we're gonna do this for 10 times, I think. Yes. Okay, and we're gonna go. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. All right. So we're gonna put our weights a little bit away now. Now we're moving into push-up with the shoulder tap. Again, your hips forward into one straight line. Don't do like this, okay? And we're gonna go. So hips forward. Yeah. Your elbows should slightly go like diagonally outside. Or you can, if you're stronger, you can also do the triceps, which is like close to your body. It's up to you. And we're gonna go shoulder taps 10 times. So then you lean a little bit to one side and you tap on shoulder. Okay, that was 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's 10. Okay, next one we're gonna go into the Superman, but we're gonna now alternate the legs and arms when we're gonna lift up. So opposite arm to opposite leg, and we're gonna go like this. So you lift one arm at the same time you lift leg, point your toes, squeeze your glutes, and lift it up. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, and that was 10. Okay, now we're gonna go to the side. You can use one weight if you want to. You can do totally without it. So side abs, obliques. So one knee is bended, the lower one. So you're gonna go on your palms. But if you have your wrists are a little bit weak, you can do the same exercise on your elbow, and you're just gonna go up like this. Okay. If you don't have any problems, just come up, shoulders down, away from your ear. Don't shrug it like that. Okay. Down, like I said. Open up the chest, shoulders back and down, squeeze your core, and go on your knee as you supported leg. And then this one can be here or here, it's up to you. And we're gonna go 10 per side. Squeezing your core, lifting up, and going down. Was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we're moving to the other side. The same thing. Bend the lower leg. Okay, extend shoulders away from your ears. And we go. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, you will feel this part working. Okay, so next one, we have one leg bridge, leg lifts 3 times into the toe touch abs, and we're gonna go 5 times per leg. So you can have one weight on your hips. Okay, lift your hips up, extend one leg, and we're gonna go three times. So 1, 2, 3, and then lower your hips down, extend the other leg up, and then do with the weights toe touch, and then you're gonna go again into the bridge. So 1, 2, 3. Was 2. 1, 2, 3. Really squeeze your glutes. That's 3. 1, 2, 3. It was 4. We're doing only one side now. 1, 2, 3. And that was 5. Now change your legs. Lifting up, squeezing your glutes. 1, 2, 3. Extend up. 1, 2, 3. 2. 1, 2, 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. It was 4. 1, 2, 3. And that was 5. Okay, so next one we have scissor abs. So again, if you're sensitive in your lower back, you're arching it too much, put your palms below your booty, lift yourself up, okay? Extend your legs, and we're gonna do scissors. So your legs are really wide, and you can also have your hands here or here, it's up to you. Just do your best. Just if you're having neck problems, you can also place the head down, it's up to you. But engage your core, press it to the mat, okay, the lower part of your abs, press it to the mat, and then we're gonna go for 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now we're gonna flip over into your plank and we're gonna hold 30-second plank. So that's how you also will know if you have timer, so it's very easy to monitor. Okay, we're gonna go into the high plank, starting in 5 seconds. All right, 2, 1, and we are holding for 30 seconds. So your palms are just below your shoulders, squeezing your core, pushing with your heels back, engaging your legs. Breathe. Push away from your floor, retract your upper back. 20 seconds. We have 5 to go. Come on, you can do this. And okay. Okay, we came to our last exercise, which is gonna be half burpee jumps. And this is also for your a little bit of the cardio. So you stayed here, come back, come up, and then jump up. Okay, that was 1. Jump back to the plank. 2, go into the squat, okay? Plank, up. 3, land softly. 4, 5, 6, plank, hold it. 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Okay, stop the time watch. For me, it took me about 15 minutes, but I explained to you also the workouts, so that you have a little bit of the frame, how long this workout lasts. One set should be around, let's say, 10-12 minutes, you should be done. If you want to repeat this, again, you can totally do it. If you want to increase the weight, you can totally do it. Make sure that you follow the right posture, correct form, because this will give you the right results without injuries, okay? That's why this is so important that you always train with your mind and muscle connection, and you're gonna see results faster this way. Okay, so I hope you like this Kickstart to Fitness number 11. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, click the bell button, and yeah, I will see you. Probably the next workout will be another power yoga workout, which is also suitable for beginners and also for everybody else who just wants to tone and stretch and enjoy a little bit of relaxation. All right, till next time, enjoy your day. Peace out.